This is a vintage Stanley number 1299 cast iron fixed blade utility knife. Extra blades would be stored inside the hollow body. In my experience, red is the toughest color to remove. This should be a good test for a Vaporust safe erase. I let the paint remover soak for an hour before scrubbing with a wire brush. I was impressed with how well the safe erase performed. Here's both halves after wire brushing. Okay, here's what I started with. And here's the Stanley 1299 repainted red. This is just the way it would have looked from the factory. I used Bear Premium Flirt Alert.
Hey, Mag Daddy.
Here's another $12.99 with original paint for comparison. I think it's a pretty good match. Here they are in better light. I stripped the $12.99 back down to bare metal and sanded the body smooth with my 1x30 machine. Here's one side before sanding, and here's the other side after the 120 grit belt. After sanding some more with finer grits, I went over it with the fiber wheel. And here it is after the fiber wheel. I noticed the casting had lost some definition in spots. I used this diamond burr in my Dremel to sharpen the lines and add back in the stippling. I cleaned the castings thoroughly and applied 3 coats of perma-blue paste. I picked up a replacement screw from Home Depot. I soaked it in vinegar to burn off the zinc plate and cut it to length. Okay, it's time for another before and after fade. I blued that screw to match, and I had a blade that had a dull gray finish from soaking in Vaporust that seemed to match the blued finish. The blued 1299 looks like something the Cape Crusader would carry on his utility belt. Okay, back to bare metal. I thought my stippling was a little coarse. So I went back over the area with a pointy diamond bit to see if I could improve the finish. I think it looks a little better. Before applying the finish, Chuck and I went over the 1299 with his favorite polish. Alright, one more before and after fade. So how do you like my full bling version? The color is purplish red mica powder mixed with clear shellac. Mica powder comes in many colors and is relatively inexpensive. I included Amazon links for the mica powder and other products I use for this project in the description. I used the scoop that came with the powder to make the tinted shellac. I used 6 big scoops of shellac and 3 small scoops of mica powder. I gave the parts 3 coats. The screw is the original screw, polished with flitz. I painted the letters with silver enamel. Let me know in the comments which ending you like the best. Original red, tactical black, or full bling. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my other Choose Your Own Ending projects.